Hey guys, today we are starting with our new chapter for a preparation for UGC NET examination. I hope you all will be with me till end of the course. UGC NET is an exam which requires strong grip on the concepts. So for this we will go in depth of each and every subtopic which will help us to understand the concepts in detail. This exam requires a structured course and planning which will be shared with you in the upcoming videos. So please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss an important notification, and also share with your friends so that they can also enhance the benefits of channel. So without any delay, let's start with computer graphics. So be with me so that we can together crack the exam. So guys, let's start with computer graphics. This course will basically go in English because most of the students prefer Hindi. English is Hindi plus English. So first, and you can continue writing with me, and the notes will also be provided in the description box. So let's start with 2D transformation. So transformation is nothing but moving of an object from one position to the other. So in 2D transformation, we will study two types, that is geometric or object and coordinate. Geometric is moving of an object from one position to the other, and coordinate is moving of an point or the coordinate from one position to the other. Now, whether the transformation is positive or the transformation is negative, if the object moves far from the origin, then it's positive transformation, and if the object moves towards the origin, then it's negative transformation. In now the types of geometric transformation, there are 5 types of geometric transformation. First is translation, second rotation, third scaling, fourth is mirror reflection, and fifth is shearing. And the types of coordinate transformation, it is same as geometric transformation, but only shearing is absent. Only shearing is absent and remaining is same. So today let's start with translation. Now what is translation? The moving of an object from point P. This is point P. This is point P dash. The coordinate of point P are xy and of P dash x dash y dash. The moving of an point P, the moving of an object from point P to P dash is called translation. And always remember, two translations are always additive in nature. Now what does this mean? If we move an object 2 cm from position A to B and further 4 cm from position B to C. So here the total translation is A to C. This is 4 cm, 6 cm. It means two translations are additive in nature. Now, this is a point, this is X, this is Y. Here is the object placed and it is moved from point P to point P dash. P dash has coordinate x dash y dash, and this is P which has coordinates x and y. So this is x dash, this is y dash. Now this is ty, and this distance is tx in x direction. X, this is y axis. Okay. Now what is x dash? X dash is x plus ty, x plus tx, sorry. And what is y dash? Y dash is y plus ty. X dash is x plus tx and y dash is y plus ty. So adding the absent coordinates, adding the absent coordinates. So x dash is equals to x plus tx plus 0 into y, and y dash is equals to y plus ty plus 0 into x. Now x dash is x plus 0y plus tx, and y dash is 0x plus y plus ty. Arranging them in the sequence, so a matrix becomes x dash y dash is equals to 1 0 tx 0 1 ty, and here xy. Okay. So by making it into 3 by 3 matrix, that is, I will convert this into identity matrix. X dash, y dash, and here we will add 1. Here 1 0 tx 0 1 ty and 0 0 1, and here x y. So why did we added here 1? See, x dash is x plus 0y plus tx. Y dash is equals to 0x plus y plus ty. And 1 is equals to 0 into x plus 0 into y plus 1 into 1, which is equals to 1. So we added here 1, not 0, and this is converted into identity matrix. So this is the theoretical part. Now what you have to remember for net examination, just remember the translation matrix, because no one asks you the theory. Translation matrix. X dash y dash 1 1 0 tx 0 1 ty 0 0 1, and x y 1. This x dash and y dash are the new points. X dash and y dash are the new point. Tx and ty, these are the changes in x and y direction, and x and y are the original old or previous point. Okay. So this was if we do the translation from point P, that is xy, P dash, x dash, y dash. This is the formula if we do the translation from point P to point P dash. Now what if we do translation from point P dash to point P? This is x dash y dash and this is xy. So what will be the formula? So here tx will be negative tx and ty will be negative ty. So these are the basic two changes. That is, it is negative translation, or you can say it is inverse of translation. Inverse of translation. Okay. Now, further, let's see an example. So this is the basic matrix. You have to learn this to translate a triangle with vertices at original coordinate 10, 20, 10, 10, 20, 10 by tx is equals to 5 and dy is equals to 10. So let's go with the answer. These are the original coordinates of the triangle A, B, C. 10, 20, 10, 10, 20, 10. So by changes, that is tx 5 and ty 10, it become 15, 30, 15, 20 and 25, 20. So these are the new points and these are the old points. Now how to solve it using matrix? Let's see. So by using our translation matrix formula, we will substitute the points 1, 0, 5, this is tx, this is ty, and the coordinates or the point of the triangle, point A, that is 10, 10, 10, 20, point B 10, 10, and point C, that is 20, 10. Now students are mostly confused that what to add here. So for triangle points or rectangle or any shape, you have to always add 1. And for transformation matrix, you have to add 0, 0, 1. That is, transformation matrix is converted to identity matrix. Now by doing the matrix multiplication, it comes 15, 15, 25, 30, 20, 20 and 1, 1, 1. I hope that you know how to multiply two matrices. So our new coordinates are 1530, 1520 and 2520. This is A dash, this is B dash and this is C dash. If any of the student doesn't know how to multiply these two matrices, can comment below. So guys, that's it for today. In this lecture, what was important is our translation matrix. So let's revise it again. Translation matrix x dash y dash 1, 1, 0 tx, 0, 1 ty and 0, 0, 1. This is x, this is y, this is 1. So that's it for today. In the next video, we'll start scaling another types of geometric transformation. Okay then, for learn this translation matrix. Okay then, bye bye.